If you have been thinking about real estate investing maybe for weeks, for months, or even for years, but you are still stuck in the analysis paralysis, in the information overload, this video is going to completely shift the way you approach getting your first real estate deal done. Now, I understand exactly how you feel because I have once been in your shoe as well. You probably read so many books, you've watched a lot of YouTube videos, you follow a lot of internet guru, you listen to so many podcasts, and yet you are still stuck. You are stuck because there is no deal, there is no cash flow, and you are not building the life you actually deserve because you don't have any clear roadmap to follow. And this is not because you are lazy or you are unmotivated. You are simply overwhelmed with information and you are stuck in the learning mode, drowning in too much information, and every month you stay stuck, it's 1 month further away from you actually achieving your financial goal. My name is Wale Lawal. I am top 1% real estate broker and investor in the United States. I am based in Houston, Texas. I've helped hundreds of family and investors to start and scale their rental portfolio, a lot of them from out of state, out of the country, and to build their portfolio that generate passive income and long-term wealth for them. I have personally closed over $128 million in real estate sales, and I've participated in over $58 million worth of multifamily projects, and I've also built a 7-figure rental portfolio for myself from scratch. But of course, as you can guess, I was not born in the United States. I'm an immigrant from Nigeria, so I'm a Nigerian American. Came into the country to get my master's degree in chemical engineering. So I went to college, I got my chemical engineering degree, and I worked in the oil and gas for about 5 years. So during my time as a chemical engineer working in the corporate America, I was looking for ways to diversify my income, and everything started pointing me to real estate. And after successfully closing on my number 2 rental property, my passion for real estate grew, and I also saw a path that I can actually do this full time and help other people just like you to start and scale their rental portfolio. And that is when it hit me hard. I had to resign from my 6-figure engineering job to do real estate investing and real estate sales full time. And that is not what I'm actually proud of. What I'm proud of is now helping everyday people, busy professionals, parents, stay-home mom, single parents, people that just have the hustle to close their first deal in as little as 60 days. And that's exactly what my private coaching program, the Networth Builders Academy, is designed to do, is to help you close your first or your next rental property or real estate deals in general in as little as 60 days if you follow the roadmap. Real estate is not hard. Trying to figure it out all alone by yourself without a proven strategy and a step-by-step system is what is keeping you in that analysis paralysis. A lot of people have binge-watched content on YouTube. They listen to all the real estate podcasts. They know all the real estate gurus, all the influencers. They know all the podcasts, and 2-3 years down the line, they are still yet to buy a single deal. So the truth is that you don't need to know everything in real estate before you start. You just need a clear path and consistent action, and more importantly, a guide for you to get something done. Real estate success isn't about just giant leap. It's about small, simple, repeatable steps that build momentum until you close your first or your next deal. And once you do that, everything changes and become easier from there. Your second, your third, your fourth deal happen a lot faster than you can imagine. And that will set you on a clear path to building that your passive income and generational wealth, and more importantly, freedom, whatever freedom means to you, faster than you can imagine. And that freedom to you could mean that you're traveling around the world, you're spending more time with your kids and your family, and you are probably enjoying yourself on the beach on a Monday morning. And that is why I created Networth Builders Academy. It is not just another online course or a pile of videos that you just watch by yourself. It's a hands-on, step-by-step coaching program and community that is designed to work with you every single week until you do your first real estate deal or your next deal, as the case may be for you. In Networth Builders Academy, there is no confusion, there is no guesswork, there is no decision fatigue, there is no information overload. You don't have to also even try to figure it out alone by yourself, because we have a step-by-step guide, step-by-step proven roadmap that multiple people has followed and has worked for them. So here is exactly how we help you win when it comes to doing your first deal. Number 1, we're going to understand your financial situation and match you with the right real estate strategy that has worked for several people in your shoe with the same financial situation. The number 2 things we help you to do is to get crystal clear on your buy box. What is your buying criteria? We're going to help you do that so that you can stop all the distractions, stop endless scrolling on Zillow. And the number 3 is the deal analysis. We're going to help you analyze property or teach you how to analyze property in minutes, not in hours. And from there, we'll help you build a financing plan. Even if you think you don't have the money, even if you think you only have $10,000 to your name, trust me, there's a strategy that works for you. And the number 5 thing is that we're going to support you to actually execute those plans that we came up together. You have access to me and my team, and we're going to hold you accountable and hold you every step of the way so you don't go back into the analysis paralysis. My students and clients are a living proof of what is possible when you stop overthinking and start executing. Sarah and Marcus from California closed their first duplex in Houston in just 2 months. Catalina, a full-time nurse, bought her first rental property in under 3 months with my guidance. Or talk about Dr. Chong, a busy physician from California, closed his first duplex with my guidance in under 45 days. Or talk about this hardworking dude, Nicholas, with no network, with zero experience in real estate, and closed on his first duplex in Houston, Texas in as little as 47 days. And is currently cash flowing around $700 every single month on that single duplex. So here is exactly how it works at the Networth Builders Academy. We're going to help you get crystal clear on your investment goal and your financial goal, then match you with the right investment strategy specifically for your own situation. Then step 2, we're going to teach you how to find and analyze deal in minutes, not in hours, both on the market and off-market deal, and connect you with investor-friendly agents, lenders, property managers, contractor, CPA, among other real estate rockstar that you will need that they are already in my network. We will also help you analyze your financing options from traditional loan, your VA loan, FHA loan, creative financing, among other no or low money real estate financing strategies that many of our students and clients have used successfully. Number 4 is that you're going to work one-on-one with me, directly with me and my team every single week, and make sure we are keeping you accountable and keeping you on track, and actually give you your next 2 or 3 steps to get you closer to closing down your first deal. So as you can see, no more analysis paralysis, no more information overload, and no more confusion. And I can guarantee you get the result because you are not doing it alone. You have a direct access to me and my team of seasoned investors that are guiding people like you every single day and are working with you one-on-one to make sure that you are not stuck. So here are a few flimsy excuses I hear from people every single day. Hey, Wale, I'm too busy. I don't think I have time for real estate. Well, I can tell you that you're not busy. You just need a plan to maximize every single minute or hour of your day. Or maybe you are thinking, hey, I don't have enough money to do this. I don't think this is for me. Well, this program works for everybody regardless of your situation, because we have so many strategies that has worked for so many of our students and clients that if you follow the path as well, I'm sure no matter situation you have, you are not the first person that will have that situation. And I'm talking about the no or low money down payment kind of real estate investing strategy that has worked for several people I know of. And above all, this program is built for beginners like you that are just starting, that can get you from where you are right now to the next step. Or maybe you are thinking, I just don't have a lot of money. I thought real estate is for the rich people that have thousands of dollars in their bank account. Well, you'll be surprised. There's so many real estate investing strategies out there that our students has used successfully that can also work for you as well. I'm talking about strategies that only require you to put down $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 just to start real estate investing. So as you can see, the excuses continue over and over again, and the risk is if you do nothing about it, every single month that you wait is another month you are stuck in survival mode, tied to the job you probably don't like, and it's taking you further away from your financial freedom that you truly deserve. So if you're tired of information overload, tired of watching multiple YouTube videos, and you're ready to do something, I want to help you. Book a call on my calendar below, and I'll be able to dissect your situation and help you map out a strategy that you can easily follow, even if we don't work together. Because on the call, we'll go over your goals, your timeline, and your current situation, and you're going to see if working with me and my team is the best fit for you or is not a good fit for you. I will let you know. But regardless, you're going to walk away with actionable steps that you can even implement on your own if you take action. And if it's a good fit for me and you, this year could be the year you finally stop the information overload and actually close on your first or your next real estate deal. And that one deal could change everything for you. I'm talking about changing your financial trajectory, changing your life, save and help you build wealth faster. Because as you already know, for every day you wait, it's one more day between you and the future you truly deserve. So your dream will not build itself. Let's build it together. Let me be part of that your real estate investing journey, and you'll be glad you did. So again, book a call on my calendar below, and this year could be the year you finally stop thinking about it and doing something about it.